Cool. And again. Alright, so now it's time to actually... Ow! I had this freaking cut yesterday because I accidentally... some plastic on my old ass... What do we call it? Gear? Drive mode? The different modes in the car that I'm switching between. Drive, park, reverse. That thing, the shifter, a little piece of the plastic broke off and cut my ass. Just enough. Okay. So, we'll do... What do I want to do in this function? We'll print a value. Oh, that'll actually be cool. We'll do two things. So we'll do two functions in one file and then use them here. So we'll do... Oops, sorry. Okay. We'll do, okay, so we'll output him being multiplied, and then we will output him being, or oops. No, well, I don't know random stuff right now. We'll do subtract. We'll do... Okay, that's where I'm tapping out. Better. Okay. Those two aren't defined yet. Okay, bro, can you stop being annoying? Better. Alright. So here we'll do the function called... Oh, well, and we need to declare him here. And then we'll do... So they're still undefined. Oh, oops, I misspelled. Wait, is value a wrong? Wait, no, that's fine. Square value. Yeah, we're just declaring them right now, and then we'll implement them. So we'll do multiply. And then we'll just do 5 times the value. And then we'll do square value. And then we'll return value times value. So you're cool now. So this is building the whole solution. Okay. And it's saying unresolved external symbol. So it is a link error. These link errors read really weird. Just different. Means there's a link issue. Means we're trying to use this, but there's no compile issue, so we know that these functions are in here. They've been declared. Problem is they're not being defined properly. And the answer is just because they don't fucking exist yet. So now we build, and now we're cool. So, ooh, 0, and that's because X was value initialized. We'll do, now we'll give X a value. And now we'll put in, oh, well, wait, no, it's fine because it automatically goes to the next line. Boom. So it'll be 20, it multiplies it by 5, and it's 20, so it squares it, so 400. Cool. So I can put the functions in one file, and in another get them, without inheritance or anything. That's all just classes. So in Unreal, at least, all I've really ever made, besides sound cues and things that are probably independent assets, are classes. So a blueprint class. So it's no wonder that I'm thinking about inheritance so often, because all this functionality that I'm so used to using is from shit that has inheritance by default. So that makes sense. But that's not what most things are in C++. God, I did it again. I put my hand here and I slide it down, which pulls this skin back and opens the cut. Man, that hurts. Okay, we'll lock in a little. Look at that. Pull the button, I can sit properly. It's good. Excuse me, 3 minutes left on the video that I've already recorded. Let's go. All right. So, we've done it. Yep. Compiles them all individually. Oh. Makes sense. Yeah, because in that case you're using inheritance, because standard is, I guess, a class? So you're getting the standard class and getting functionality in it, and cout is functionality somehow? Something? Looks like it. Makes sense. So in this case, if we do multiply and print value, we'll just say multiply and print value. Doesn't exist yet, link error, yep. Because it's here, it's declared, but it's not defined. And so actually this should be void now, because we ain't doing shit. Link error again should be. What? What are you talking about? Unreferenced formal parameter. Oh, it's here, duh. It's the function. Oh, it should have showed me. Oh, it does. Okay, so I just have to. I wish I could shrink that more. Dang. Oh, don't care about project. Do care about file. That makes sense. So we get this value and we output value times 20. Cool. And we don't return shit because he's void. Uh-oh. Namespace standard has no member. I wish it just said it didn't know what this namespace was. Because it shouldn't even know what the namespace is. I wish it didn't recognize what that was, but it's fine. Boom. No. No, where is it at? Where is... Oh, I don't even have function on the left side of this keyboard. Wow. So I give him 10, or I give him 10. Multiplies him by something, by 20 apparently. And then 100. So yeah, times 20. And then, oh, and then it just squares. Yep, kale. Cool. I can do multiple files now. Cool. So each file using functionality from another class has to include that boy. Or using functionality from something that needs to be included. It needs to include it. You can't just include it in one file. You gotta include it in everything that gets that functionality of that class. Or If you're using something that requires inheritance to be the inheritance operator to use it, you must include what it is that, well, maybe not. Yes, you do. Because I'm pretty sure, yes, namespace standard is in the IO stream, input output stream. Okay. When it is used, it must be connected to its definition. Fake news. Well, no, it's not fake news. So you use a function, you call him, it checks, if you forward declared it, it says, okay, cool, I've already seen him. Well, I guess the point is it'll see him, and then once it happens, it'll say, yes, I've seen him there, but it won't go back and look. And then it will go and use him. So the point is, in order to actually use the function without getting a link error, yes, the identifier needs to be attached to a definition. Basically, the function needs to be defined. Duh. Oh, but it's an identifier too, so whatever it is needs to be defined. So if I'm using X, that boy needs to be defined. Dude, this is giving me tinnitus. Or apparently it's called tinnitus. Oh, that's better. Cool. Holy, look at that. 12 views, baby. Curious. Analytics. Watch time. 1 view. Come on, what's it say? Let's go. 0 hours, baby. We got... If it has seen neither the declaration nor the definition, it will error where the definition's used, because it'll say, otherwise if the definition exists, it'll connect it. Unless it's after, because then it won't connect, because it hasn't seen it. If it exists in the same, well, I guess this assumes that there's a declaration. It'll connect it. Okay, dude, are you gonna... Dude, that is too many loops. If it exists in a different file and it's visible to the linker, I wonder how we determine that. It will connect the use of the identifier to its definition. So the use in the call, connect to where it is. It'll jot down on a big old whiteboard all the shit we know, and when it sees it being used, it'll say, yes, we've used him. Check. Or rather, you are allowed to use him, check, because you can use him, you can keep using him. Otherwise, an error saying, couldn't find him. Something went wrong. Plenty of things. If as not added to me, well, you declare, retard. If you get a linker error about it not being defined, well, you might have declared it, but you didn't you didn't define it, rather. You didn't define it properly. Hey, that's what I had before. And that was because I was building it early without the function actually being defined yet. Yep. Okay. Okay. You can set it to not link or compile? Why would you want that? Sounds like you would do it as a breakpoint just to turn it off for a second to test functionality. But I don't really know why you would want that. Let's rock it back now. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Exclude from build. Oh, look at that. And I can set it. No. Okay. Do not do include add. Including it increases the risk of naming. Yeah, I don't even know what that is, because I know those are called preprocessor directives. You're telling it to include some sort of functionality or other shit before actually processing and compiling. I'm not super sure about the rest. Each file can be compiled independently, makes sense, less risk of conflict. Faster compiling, so you only compile the regular shit. Better compiling, so you only compile what you need to, or what has changed. The order doesn't matter. Oh, true, so you don't have to do it in a specific order. They don't depend on each other. Cool. It's basically just checking to make sure each file is valid. And then the linking checks to make sure that the actual things inside are valid with each other. So there's valid, 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 compiling. Linking, valid, valid, valid. Or it's valid, valid. Oh, function called. Oh, declaration. No definition. Link error. Multiple files a lot once we get into object-oriented program. Oh yeah, because we're gonna go and include fucking whatever. Include the actor blueprint. Or include rather the actor header file. A actor. So we can get his movement component and shit. Man, this is Unreal's gonna be so easy after I learn this. God damn. I can't wait, dude. In 2 hours I'm gonna be bawling. Be bawling out, and I'm gonna be a useful person. That'll still be good. So now's a good time to make sure you understand how to add and compile multiple file projects. New CPP file. This is the first time I've had 2 files within one project. Never happened before. Granted, I did C for like 3 months before, but we never did that. We just learned individual things, loops, and looking at data structures a little bit, but not really. You create a new file, you need to add it to your project. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna create it somewhere else and then not add it to my freaking project. Quiz time. Split the following program. Okay, what is it? Get integer, and then... Oh, okay. What does he want? Enter an integer. Value initialize and then do that. Cool. Or, oh, sorry. Main. So we're basically just getting 2 and then outputting them. Or, oh, and then, so we're outputting both and then there's some. Okay. This needs to be up. Let's just delete him. What about delete? Why is there remove? There's remove and then there's delete. Yeah, we'll just do that. What if I do that? Oh, that makes sense. I'll just, okay, same shit. Okay. We need input output because we're doing some input output. All right, so what do we want? We need 2 integers and then return their, and then output their sum. Okay. So we'll do int first int, or we'll do first int second int. Okay. But we're value initializing him to be get integer, and you again to be get integer. And then we are outputting them first int plus second int is first int plus second int. Okay, what are the issues so far? Just things not being defined. That's cool, it only shows this once, but then it shows it for each call. Okay. And then we'll do another file. Do we need any of this shit? Oh my god. We will add, there's no hotkey? Control Shift A. Control Shift A. Oh, cool. Add a new file. Control Shift A, and it's default that. Add a new file. Cool. Delete. Okay. Call this mofo. What? Yo, yo, yo. There we go. What can I just do? No. That. Nice. We'll do get integer. And we will say she's returning, so it's not doing anything special. Oh, but it does need so we'll do we need to it outputs and then it has nothing. And then here we do nothing. And then what does it do? It does all right, sorry, X. Maybe? Right? Isn't that it? We're having one, we're giving it. So we're getting one, and then it outputs, I think. And then we'll do fuck, it's 6. D&D time. Fuck. No, it's other side of the keyboard. Okay, so we do 2 and 4. Boom. 2 plus 4 is 6. Oops. This plus that. And then here we'll do that's why we need we needed this for both. We're gonna output yo enter an int. Cool. What? Cool. 4, 5, 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Cool. Okay. That's what I wanted. Oh, that was it. Look at that. We got this guy. So we're prompting, making, getting, returning, calling, outputting, for declaration, kill baby. This is next. Okie dokus.